Question 13. Now I thought this was quite tricky really, I've never seen one like this before. So anyway, we've got to find whole numbers for x and y, and our actual answer just comprises the values of x. So what do we know? We know x plus y equals 13. So I've gone for a few combinations of x plus y equaling 13, you sort of around these numbers. So when x is 3, y would need to be 10 in order to get 13. When x is 4, y would need to be 9, and so on. So I've got a little list of 5 or 6 here to choose from. So we need to make sure that not only do these pairs of numbers satisfy x plus y equals 13, but they also satisfy these two. So we need the x value to be greater than 3 but less than 7. Greater than 3. Well, that's not greater than 3, so we can discount that one, and that's not less than 7, so we can discount that one. So at this point we've gone and discounted the top one and the bottom one. So secondly, looking at this inequality, we need y to be greater than 4 but less than 9, so that discounts that one there, where y actually equals 9. So the ones we're left with that satisfy all three is when x is 5, y is 8, and when x is 6, y is 7. Those combinations satisfy those, so x value wise is only 5 and 6 that we're interested in. Now, on the grid below, show by shading the region defined by these inequalities. So start off by plotting the line y equals minus 1, y equals 4 minus x, and y equals 3x minus 1. So they're all straight lines, so you just need a couple of points to enable you to plot the lines. So y equaling minus 1. Now avoid the temptation to assume that's this line down here equaling minus 1 parallel to the y-axis. That is not y equals minus 1. We want this line here, minus 1, which is parallel to the x-axis. Now why is this y equaling minus 1? Well, think of any coordinates on this line. For example, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, which I've listed here. On each occasion the y value is minus 1. That's why y equals minus 1. Right, secondly, consider the line y equals 4 minus x. So think of just some pairs of points. When x is 0, y must be 4. 4, my takeaway 0 is 4. Equally, when x is 4, y must be 0. So 2 points on this line are 0, 4 and 4, 0. That's enough for me to draw on the red line y equals 4 minus x. And similarly here, I've just created 2 or 3 points from scratch. So let's go for some nice easy x's, 0, minus 1 and 2, say. When x is 0, y is minus 1. When x is minus 1, y is minus 4. And when x is 2, y is 5. So 3 points. 1, 2, 1, where is the other one? 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. So that's the purple line. Now, more often than not, the area you want is just the triangle in the middle, but you better just check. We need greater than minus 1, so that's above this line, less than 4 minus x, so below the red line, and less than 3x minus 1, so to the right of that purple line. So that is the region we need.